In this video, we will be studying about one of the most reputed career objective goals, chartered accountancy. First of all, let us understand what is chartered accountant. A chartered accountant is an international accounting designation granted to accounting professionals in many countries around the world aside from United States. In United States, the equivalent to the CA designation is a certified public accountant, that is CPA. Chartered accountants claim to be the first accounting group to form a professional body in 1854 in Scotland. Today, there are many organizations that such accountants belong to across the world, including the Institute of Chartered Accountants in England and Wales and the Canadian Institute of Chartered Accountants. Now, let us understand about the Chartered Accountancy Examination. In India, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India (ICAI) conducts CA exams and certify a candidate as a qualified chartered accountant on successful completion of the 3-level course. Examinations conducted at 3 levels are Common Proficiency Test (CPT), or today it is also known as Foundation Exam. Number 2, Intermediate, and number 3, Final Examination. Now let us understand about the scope of CA. Chartered accountancy is a profession assist accounting, auditing, taxation, financial and management areas of an individual or organization. Chartered accountants are one of the most sought after technical professionals in the world of the finance who offer their services in maintaining and reviewing financial health of a business. Chartered accountants today have acquired important positions in public as well as private sectors. A CA also acts as a business advisor who helps in preparation of financial reports, securing loans, preparing financial projections, showing how the loans will be repaid, and determining the viability of the business. Also, the CA helps its clients to comply with tax laws and represent him before government agencies. Some of the key responsibilities of chartered accountant include to prepare and maintain financial statements and budget, conduct financial audits of organizations' financial status, provide financial information and advice to the client, advise client on tax planning, financial risk, business acquisitions and mergers, etc. To detect and prevent fraud and deal with financial irregularities if and when they arise. Produce reports and recommendations following internal audits or external audits. Advise clients on areas of business improvement. So, we have studied about the key responsibilities of chartered accountants. Now let us understand about the roles of chartered accountant. Role of chartered accountant include GST service providers, advisor to the government, chief accountant, chief manager management audits, chief financial officer CFO, chief manager internal audits, head training, chief manager system, lecturer or professor, etc. Now let us understand about the salary and package offered to chartered accountant. With high potential and options, a CA and related jobs offer a handsome salary or package. Though a master degree increases your chances of getting a higher paid job in accounting, having only a bachelor degree still attracts some multiple options. The salary and package for an accountant surely vary from company to company, skills, and the location where you live and work. However, the average salary of an employed qualified CA ranges somewhere between 7 to 8 lakhs in India. As a CA can work in any field, including private, public, government organizations, there are never fewer options for them. Now let us understand about some of the benefits attached to chartered accountant profession in India. They get very much benefits, but some of them are analytical and problem solving ability, various career choices, occupies high level strategic skills, demanding career choice, help in society improvement, plays a role of responsible person, a consistent and growing field, a visible career path. Now let us study what are the powers of CA. A CA's signature is more powerful than that of PM. PM Modi says chartered accountants are like ambassadors of any country's economic system. Chartered Accountants Day or CA Day is celebrated on July 1 every year to commemorate the founding of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India (ICAI) by the Parliament of India in 1949. ICAI is India's national professional accounting body and also the second biggest world accounting organization. So that's all about chartered accountancy profession. Thank you.